Let's check out the Mustang Mach-E driving modes and see how each one changes your drive. The Mach-E comes with 3 different drive modes: Whisper, Engage, and Unbridled. Each mode changes the throttle response, steering feel, and even how the suspension reacts. To access the driving modes, tap the car icon on your touchscreen. From there, you'll see 3 options: Whisper, Engage, and Unbridled. Just tap the mode you want and it's activated instantly. First up, Whisper mode is all about comfort and efficiency. It softens the throttle, eases steering, and keeps the ride smooth. It's great for relaxed city driving, traffic, or long highway commutes when you just want a quiet, stress-free drive. Next up, we have Engage mode. This mode gives you a balanced, everyday ride. Acceleration is more responsive and steering feels firmer, making it perfect for commuting, errands, or casual weekend drives. Lastly, we have Unbridled mode, which prioritizes performance. Acceleration is quick, steering is sharper, and the car feels more responsive overall. It's the best for open roads or whenever you want a more dynamic, engaging drive. Now that you know how the different drive modes work, let's look at some of the additional features that lets you further customize your driving experience. The one-pedal drive option slows the car automatically when you lift off the accelerator, reducing the need to use the brake in stop-and-go traffic. You'll also see an option for Propulsion Sounds. This lets you adjust or enhance the electric motor's driving sounds for a more engaging experience inside the cabin. For an extra touch, Unbridled Extended gives you maximum performance, perfect for when you want the full sporty experience. And finally, Auto Hold keeps the car stationary at a stop without having to keep your foot on the brake. With these modes and features, the Mustang Mach-E puts you in complete control and makes every drive feel tailored to your style. Ready to try all 3 modes for yourself? Book your Mustang Mach-E test drive at your nearest John Kennedy location.